Greetings. My name is Aditya Kukudolkar and I am studying in 9th standard from KD International School, Belgaum, Karnataka. The title of my project is Glacier Monitoring and Advanced Responsive System. The nature of my project is novel solution or an indigenous design to a problem or challenge. The aim of my project is to create a working model that will help in the glacier monitoring movements and provide early warning to the authorities in case of evacuation, public alert systems, post disaster management support like fresh drinking water supply, and soil monitoring system for retaining the fertility. The principle of my project is that it works on a sensor based real time monitoring and automated emergency responses. By detecting the abnormal changes in the environmental conditions or movement near the glacier areas, the system can warn the authorities early and help save lives. As it is a prototype, it uses microcontrollers, sensors, and other basic components to automate alerts and disaster management responses. Rationally, glaciers are melting very fast because of the climatic change. Because of this, there are various problems which are arising, like for example, floods, which causes massive amounts of deaths every year, and also food shortages, and also the damage near the village areas. It also and also my project, Glacier Monitoring and Advanced Responses System, will help in solving this problem by monitoring the glacier movement by multiple sensors in one project. And it will monitor the temperature, humidity, altitude, and pressure near the glacier areas, and also the glacier movement, which causes floods, so the warnings can be given early. This helps people prepare in advance for proper evacuation and to stay safe. The system is also useful after the disaster because it tests the water quality and even starts pumps to provide clean water. RFID security is added so that one should not misuse my system. This system is important because it helps in early warning before the glacier bursts, notifies the military bases for emergency evacuation. It provides clean water and safety after disaster. Now let's move towards the working of my project. If my project is implemented in real life, there will be three departments formed. First, the monitoring department. Second, the authoritarian department. Third, the post disaster management department. So, this is the first, the monitoring department will monitor the parameters which are considered by the sensors placed near the glacier areas. This is the ultrasonic sensor which will detect the height of the glacier iceberg. This is the MPU 6050 which will detect the movement of the glacier water. This is the temperature and humidity sensor which will detect the temperature near the glacier areas and also the glacier icebergs. So to simulate the MPU 6050 modules working, here is the module of MPU 6050. So this is the abnormality or the anomaly found by the monitoring department if there is a movement in the glacier water, and if there is no movement, it shows a straight line. Now, if the abnormality is found in the glacier movement, the monitoring department will prepare a report of the monitoring of the sensors placed near the glacier areas and send it towards the authoritarian department, which will process it further. While processing it, it checks over the threshold. If it passes through the threshold, the authoritarian department will turn on my system. So, to turn on a project, they will use this key and the RFID card. So first we will scan the RFID card. So now it displays that the SOS signal has been sent to the monitoring to the nearest military base. Now this is the type of message which will be sent by the to the military department. After turning on my system, the authoritarian department person will press this button to circulate an siren alarm through the minority areas like villages, hospitals, and schools. And also this blue light indicates the all these four lights indicate the condition of the road for evacuation. As the system is turned on right now, it is a blue color which indicates the road condition is perfectly good, which can be used for evacuation. Green means it is around it is great, it is good but not great. Yellow, it is moderate, it is rough but it can be used for evacuation. Red, we cannot use for evacuation, already flood has approached to that road. Now for the post disaster management, the authoritarian department after the disaster will take this key again and place it over here and turn on the water pump, which will pump the glacier water into the fresh water. This yellow container, which contains filters for filtering the glacier water, glacier water into fresh drinking water. These are the three steps which are used for filtration: the gravel layer, the fine sand layer, activated charcoal, mineral layer, cotton fiber layer, membrane, UV sterilization, and ceramic filter. And this MPU 6050 module, which will be used by the monitoring department, this sensor which will be placed in the glacier water will be placed in real life as this diagram throughout the circular path and at the center as well. My project is cost effectiveness. My project is highly affordable and cost effective as it is automatic functioning, reduces the manpower other than authorities, costs, and ensures the efficient operation without requiring any technical expertise. User friendliness. My project is user friendly as all the monitoring systems are automated. But to avoid any blunder, the authoritative person has to use a physical key and the RFID card to activate my system. Conclusion: my project, Glacier Monitoring, an advanced responsive system, gives early warnings and quick responses, which makes my project unique and innovative. As it is highly affordable, sustainable, and user friendly, it will surely help in saving lives near the glacier flood prone areas. Thank you.